I don't know if you can hear this. That is what the burn chamber sounds like when it's igniting, and there's some carbon in it. Now it's spooling up. Now I've cleaned this burn chamber twice from running used motor oil in it, and it wasn't a good result burning used oil in this Chinese diesel heater. The first time the burn chamber was so full of oil, or I'm sorry, carbon, I couldn't even get my finger in it. It was packed to the brim. I'm surprised it didn't catch on fire or do something bad. Well, I guess it wouldn't have came out of the burn chamber. Anyhow, so this is showing a code 8 or code 10, which is code 8 is a fuel filter issue. Code 10 is a fuel pump or a fuel issue. Usually code 10 is going to be your burn chamber clogged up, or your screens, your atomizer screens are going to be clogged. I think that's the right word for it. So it's firing up. We'll see if it gets hotter. I had it running last night. Had to prime it with diesel about 8 times over an hour. So it's about 34 degrees here right now, so it would be nice for a little heat in my bus. This is my school bus I'm building. It's my first video. Hey, Thea dog. Hello, Thea.
Oh, buddy.
It doesn't quite get up to operating temperature as fast with that burn chamber carbon residue in it, the atomizer screens, and it did not get to the red operating temperature at all last night. But these things are still pretty warm, even at the yellow temperature on the display. Yeah, see, it just, so error 8. It's either an error 8 or error 10 with this thing when the burn chamber is clogged up. So anyway, I'll try again. Now it's just burning off the residual fuel, and it'll do a cool down process, and then I'll be able to start it all over again. So, well, I just wanted to make a short video because I have not seen anything like this on YouTube. Hopefully this helps somebody out. Thanks, and God bless. Like and subscribe.